Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna talk about the most legendary Indian businessman who is also known for his loyalty, humbleness, and also many philanthropic activities. The former chairman of Tata Sons and the man with the golden heart. Ratan Tata was born in 1937. He studied at the Champion School, Mumbai, till the 8th class and in 1955 graduated from Riverdale Country School in New York City. His first job was at the Tata Steel factory and then later got promoted to the chairman in around 1970s. Surprisingly, Sir Ratan Tata is not married. Once in an interview, he had revealed that he was in a relationship in 1962 with an American woman, but he had visited his grandmother as she wasn't feeling well for almost 7 years. As he had grew up with his grandmother, it was really important for him to go. He even called the woman to go with her, but her parents did not agree because of the Indo-China War in 1962. Till date, he hasn't married any woman, which shows his immense level of loyalty and truly explains the words, the man with the golden heart. He also has donated 500 crore recently to help India fight COVID-19. Another story of his is the 26th November attack of the Taj Hotels owned by the Tata Group. Many terrorists had attacked on the hotel. Hundreds of guests and staff were injured. After the attack, Mr. Ratan Tata himself went to the houses of the people who had lost their loved ones in the attack and gave heavy compensations to their families. He also took care of all medical expenses of the families and also the education expenses for the rest of their lives. He also compensated the people who were injured outside of the hotel and nothing to do with the Tata Group. He also offered jobs to them. This says how big-hearted he truly is. All this whole process was done in 20 days, which is truly overwhelming. One of his major qualities that has helped him to reach where he is at today is that he says, I love to do the things that people say I cannot do. One of the instances which goes with this quote is the Ford vs Tata Motors story. In 1999, the group wanted to sell its fledgling car business to Ford. Ratan Tata, along with his team, flew to Detroit and met the chairman of Ford. Bill had apparently told them that they knew nothing about cars and they shouldn't have started the car division. He even went as far as saying the Ford was doing a favor by buying his car division. Post that meeting, Ratan Tata decided not to sell the car division and he returned it to India. He put all his focus on Tata Motors and worked even harder. They say failure is the great motivation and it couldn't be more right. The tables turned 9 years later and Ratan Tata grabbed his moment. After the humiliation in US in 1999, the clock turned into a full circle and Tata took his sweet revenge on Ford. Ford was on the verge of bankruptcy and in 2008, it was running into huge losses because of Jaguar and Land Rover. Then Mr. Ratan Tata bought the Jaguar Land Rover from Ford. Ford chairman Bill Ford thanked Ratan Tata saying you are doing us a big favor by buying the Jaguar Land Rover. Not only did Tata buy Jaguar Land Rover, but they turned it into one of their most successful ventures. Today, JLR is one of the most successful car makers in the world. This is called true success. Mr. Ratan Tata retired from his chairman post in 2012 December after making the company a lot better. He also has many awards like the Padma Bhushan and the Padma Vibhushan, which are the two highest civilian awards. We would like to end the video here with a quote. Success is the best revenge.
It's caught in the crossfire.